Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another case for your iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it comes to us from Catalyst. This is the impact protection case for your iPhone 11 Plus, Pro Max. You know what I was trying to say. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Bam. Alright guys, so the Catalyst Impact Protection Case for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Big shout out to Catalyst for actually sending this out to me. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. And it does have a wrist lanyard included. And it does have a clear back, which is pretty good. So if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Here's all that good stuff that you guys are curious about. So 9.9 feet drop proof, 3 meters in the water, and it does have the military standard 810G. So let's just pop this baby out. I've had this inside the studio for a few days now. I really haven't had a chance considering the other videos that I had to get done. But this is basically the case. It looks pretty simple, just a clear back case with a nice little frosted sides there. So nothing too complicated, but you do have your little lanyard there that you probably could connect to this part right over here. So if you want to carry just like that, you can. Not going to make this video super long, but let's just see how the quality is on this. So pretty sturdy, definitely not cheap at all. Hopefully it won't yellow. That's a problem with a lot of these clear cases. Hold on. Alright, so let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's what it looks like with the phone in there. Lip action is very minimal, but it's definitely there. Also for the camera as well. Volume up and down is extra clicky, and you do have that little circle there for the medium toggle. Definitely not an issue. Power is pretty good as well, and the ports are absolutely perfect as well. So if you guys want to pick up this case, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please hit with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Catalyst products and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So to the next video, guys. Peace. Let me get into detail because a lot of people get mad when I don't go slow. Here you go. What do you guys think about it? Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.